Hi friends, it's Jason. Welcome back. And today I wanted to talk about something that we all require. All of us photographers, videographers, creators, we all need power. And we need it, we use it, we run out of it. But that's a thing that I want to talk about today is helping not run out of it. Recently, K&F Concepts sent me this little V-mount battery. This is the K&F V99 Pro V-mount battery. It's got the V-mount on the back, and this thing is wicked. It's something that we all should have in our bags and, on our shoots, our sites, whatever, because these little things are invaluable. And now we've all seen, battery packs that we can bring with us and charge our phones and our computers and our cameras and everything. The one that set this apart for me is the price. Now, I just want to say K&F did send me this. There was no money that changed hands. They have no input on what I say in this video, my thoughts on this battery pack at all. And I just wanted to clear that up front. But they did send it to me for me to check out and try out and let you know what I think of this battery. Now, just some little ins and outs. As you can see, it's not very big. This is my iPhone 13, so this will give you an idea of the size and the thickness. It's not very heavy. This would fit in a camera bag very, very easily, and it does have a bit of a glary screen on the front, although one thing I can tell you is the screen on the front is very, very clear. It definitely is very easy to see no matter the light, but you will get some reflection off it, as you can see here. But it's not too bad. Now, on the top of this thing, it has various ports for charging and both in and out. Now, on the top, it has a 12 volt DC out, so you can plug old DC cables into this and charge things from that. One of the really cool things that I have to mention, this battery comes with a 240 watt USB-C cable, and it's a braided cable. It's a really nice cable. I hope you can see it there, but it's a really nice cable. They've even got the nice touch of it matching the battery itself, and it charges really, really quickly. And you do get an indication on the screen of how much charge, where it is when you're charging with the cable, and a lot of these batteries don't come with a 240 watt USB-C cable, so this is a nice feature that comes with this. Now back to the port. There is on top 100 watt USB-C in and out port on this. There is also another USB-C out and a USB-C A out. So you've got all kinds of charging options on the top of this thing, and it does have a little plug adapter that goes on the top so that you can seal those off. Another thing that this has, it again, like I said before, it has the V-mount. So for example, my Amaran light that is right up here, I can mount this on the side of my Amaran light and make that light portable. But what it does require is on the other side of this power bank, there is a D-tap plug. So you'll need an additional cable. This one I got off of Amazon. Now, one thing I don't necessarily like where the position of the D-tap is, because it and I don't know if it's this or if it's the cable that I got. It doesn't, the cable when it's plugged in doesn't allow it to sit into the V-mount very well. So I may try a different cable and see if that works better. But still, even if I wanted to, I can make that light portable with this, with the D-tap cable, which is amazing. Now, another feature of this that I didn't realize at first, but it does have, if you can see, an emergency night light on the back of the battery. So if you are struggling for light, say you're out camping and for some reason you've run out of power, you don't have any light, you've got your little V-mount battery here that you could actually see with because you've got this emergency night light. So that's a cool feature that I liked on as well, and I didn't even realize it was there. Now, another thing, this is TSA approved, so you can actually take this in your carry-on onto the plane. Because it's only a 100-watt battery, it can go on the plane with you. That is very impressive. So say, for example, you're on a long flight, your laptop dies, you can plug this into your laptop and keep on working while you're on your flight. So that's really cool as well. I do like the structure of the battery. It's very nice looking. You can set it on your desktop and it doesn't seem out of place. It's very nice looking. It does look like it's metal, but it's actually plastic. It does have these grips on the side, which are handy for moving the battery around. I do like that. And it's small enough that if you were carrying your camera bag around, this could be classified as EDC, you know, everyday carry. You could throw this in your backpack and never have to worry about power. So, I also, just so you're aware, there is a BP out on the bottom as well. So that's basically the rundown of this thing. Now, just to give you perspective, I plugged in my iPhone 13 with this battery. It took about from 30% to 100%. It took about an hour, and I used less than 10% of this battery to charge my phone almost from empty to full. And that's pretty impressive. In an hour, I mean, it's not super duper fast, but if you really needed power for your phone, this would do the trick. As I said, this is a very economical battery. I'm even considering getting a second one. These usually run on the K&F website. There will be an affiliate link down below. There will also be a discount code, which I'll put up on the screen now, to get yourself 20% off one of these batteries. Usually they are in the range of about $120 to $140 for one of these, and just to have that peace of mind of having all that power, that's actually a really good price. If you have any questions about this battery, please don't hesitate to leave me a comment down below. I'm really enjoying using this. One thing I did want to point out is on the screen, like I said, when it will show you if you've got nothing plugged in, and of course it went off. Come on. It will show you how much charge you have left in the battery. So I have like 86% left in this battery right now. But also, if you have all these ports plugged in, on the screen, it will give you an indicator of each individual port, what's going on out, what's being drawn from the individual port itself, so you know what is being fed to each individual device that you have plugged into this thing, which is kind of cool. And I have other power banks that have no indicators on it. Basically, it's plug it in and wait. There's no indication on a screen whatsoever, which is kind of annoying, but Basically, the other one I have just has a few little dots on the side to let you know whether it's full or empty, and this one is way better. This one will be very much used by me a lot. So that is the K&F V99 Pro V-mount battery. It's very useful. As you can see, I haven't taken this plastic off yet. I'm not sure if I want to because this is pretty glossy, but I probably will end up doing it. And you know, it is what it is. If it gets scratched, it gets scratched. And you know, like I said, the screen is very, very clear and very, very bright. So you're going to be able to see what's on there. Again, it does indicate when charging how much charge you've put in there. And I don't think that there's much more I can say about a backup battery than that, but there's nothing like having the peace of mind for what this costs. Again, there is an affiliate link down below. There is a discount code down there as well, so that you can get some discount off this battery. That affiliate link helps me out. I get a little bit from each sale, and it helps me keep doing things like this. And I greatly appreciate if you use that link. Also, while you're down there, don't hesitate to leave a comment, hit like, hit subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and come back and see my next video. And while you're at it, check out this adventure video on the screen now, and I'll see you again next time.